I once asked a cancer surgeon, "How is it that you are able to perform 12-hour and longer operations? It seems humanly impossible." His answer struck me. I simply ask God, and God gives me the necessary skill, stamina, intelligence, and inspiration. Without Him, I can do nothing. That is the wonderful face of our God. True to His promises, He gives us strength and courage to face difficulties and eventually come out victorious. He never leaves us alone, even when we go through the deepest troubles. That is also what God assured Jacob when Jacob was about to leave for Egypt, along with his entire clan and all their possessions. "I myself will go down with you." And God promised in the same verse, "I will also bring you up again." Are we experiencing loneliness or desperation due to sickness or financial trouble? Are we in despair over a complex legal battle? Do we face persecution? That is when the presence of the Lord is the strongest. In any crisis, worry is futile, but trust in God works wonders. Even in situations where everything seems to be collapsing around us, our Lord is with us, and He will take us safely through.